how to get midjourney promo code. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you get midjourney promo code. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. So I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for midjourney promo code, and after you made the search from there, you'll be able to see search interface. So from here you can go with any website which will provide you the midjourney promo code. So I'm going with the option grab one, as this is one of the legit one. Okay, so from this interface you can know that here are a lot of promo code available with the discount, like 20% off, annual subscription, flat 20% off, free trial, card saving offer, and many more. So simply you have to select one from here. And now after you select one from here, the order has been activated, and now from here you can easily copy that and go through that by logging your midjourney account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.